Let's find you the perfect new wireless mouse. Whether you need something for the office, travel, or gaming, there's a lot to choose from. I've compared the best options to help you pick a great one with confidence. We will look at top-rated models that are affordable, durable, and packed with features. This guide covers the best wireless mice on the market. Let's get started. First up, we have the TECKNET wireless mouse with Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G connectivity. This one has an impressive 4800 DPI that you can adjust to 6 different levels. It's perfect if you need precise control for design work or smooth tracking for everyday browsing. The 700 mAh battery gives you up to 3 months of use on a single charge, which is fantastic. You can connect it to up to 3 devices at once and switch between them seamlessly. The silent clicks are a huge plus for quiet environments. It also has an ergonomic design with a thumb rest to keep your hand comfortable all day. If you need a reliable, long-lasting mouse for work, this one is a game changer. We'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. Next is the Redragon M602 Griffin, which is built for gamers. It features a tri-mode connection with 2.4G, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired options. With up to 8000 DPI, this is a beast for high-precision gaming. You can program all 9 buttons and customize the RGB lighting with millions of colors. The battery lasts up to 70 hours with the lights off, so you can game for days. It has a comfortable, ergonomic shape that supports your hand during long gaming sessions. This mouse is perfect for gamers who want a durable, high-performance wireless option. Let's be real, if you are a serious PC gamer, this one is worth every penny. It's a top-rated gaming mouse for a reason. Third, we have the TECKNET Bluetooth mouse with a 2-in-1 design. This model connects via Bluetooth or the included 2.4G USB receiver. You can control 2 devices simultaneously and switch between them instantly. It offers 6 DPI levels up to 4000 for good precision. The ergonomic build is comfortable and compact for travel. It runs on 2 AA batteries that last an impressive 18 months. This is a great, affordable option if you want reliable dual-device control without recharging. It has a 36-month warranty, which shows the company stands behind it. If you are looking for a durable mouse that just works, this is for you. Fourth, the Uineer wireless mouse is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. It uses a 2.4 GHz connection for a stable, lag-free experience. It has an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. A standout feature is the visual battery display, so you always know your power level. You can adjust the DPI between 4 levels for the perfect cursor speed. It's rechargeable, so you won't need to buy batteries. This mouse is widely compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you want a simple, affordable, and durable mouse for daily use, this is it. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty for peace of mind. Finally, the TECKNET side-scroll Bluetooth mouse is packed with features for productivity. It connects to 3 devices via dual Bluetooth and 2.4G USB. The precision metal scroll wheel feels great and is built to last. It also has a side scroll wheel for horizontal scrolling, which is perfect for spreadsheets. It offers 6 DPI up to 4800 for precise control. The rechargeable battery lasts 3 months on a single charge. It also has quiet clicks to keep your workspace peaceful. This mouse is ideal for professionals who need to multitask and want a premium feel. If you are a power user, this one is an excellent choice. Check the link below to learn more. So, which one is the best overall? For most people, the TECKNET wireless mouse with Bluetooth 5.0 is the top pick. It combines fantastic battery life, multi-device connectivity, and high DPI in a comfortable package. It's perfect for office work, travel, and general use. All of these options are excellent, so you really can't go wrong. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. I hope you found the perfect mouse for your setup. Happy clicking!